Greetings everyone! I ran into this issue recently where my screenshots in Jira looked way too dark. And the issue is connected to HDR and color profiles. So basically, if you have something like this, just go to your desktop, right click and select Display Settings. I'm doing this on Windows 11. And you have the issue with the HDR disabled. You have to go to Color Profile and you have to toggle on Automatically Manage Colors for Apps. Not sure what happened with the recording, hope it's okay. And then if you take a screenshot, everything should be fine. White right again. Remember, you might have to restart your app or even restart your Windows for this to take effect. So if you found this useful, leave a comment down below. And if you want to ask something to follow up, just leave a comment and maybe consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Enjoy this Borderlands footage.